Plurals. Regular plurals. Regular plurals add an S at the end of the word. For example, a car, 2 cars. A girl, 2 girls. Some words change their spelling when they become plurals. For example, a wolf, 2 wolves. A strawberry, 2 strawberries. Irregular plurals. Irregular plurals do not add an S. Their plural is a different form of the word, or sometimes the same word. For example, child, children. Tooth, teeth. Sheep, sheep. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are things we can count using numbers. For example, a house, 2 houses. An apple, 2 apples. A chair, 2 chairs. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are things that cannot be counted using numbers, like ideas or objects that are too small to count. For example, love, knowledge, chocolate, coffee, meat, air, anger, sugar. Plurals, a, an, some. We use a and an with the singular forms of countable nouns. For example, a book, an orange. We use expressions like some, a bit of, or a lot of with uncountable nouns. For example, some knowledge, a lot of water.